Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Madhav Sehgal and I am one of you. This is my very first video, so pardon me if I make any mistakes in the video. The video is about Lenovo's Legion 5 Pro laptop. I just received this in my mail and I ordered a custom Lenovo Legion 5 Pro laptop with RTX 3070 and 32 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of SSD. So let's start unboxing it and see how the laptop actually is. So I took off the outer covering of the laptop because it had my personal details and address on it. So just to protect the information, I took out the main box and I'll show you how it looks just in a moment. So the outer box of the laptop is nothing much, it's just an ordinary cardboard box protecting it. It did mention though that you have to record a video while unboxing, so that in case of any dead on arrival laptop or any refund claims, you need to have a video while unboxing, so that Lenovo knows it's not their fault or your fault. In either case, you need to make a video while unboxing in order to get a claim for any mishap during the unboxing of the laptop. So let's get started with the unboxing. This is a Legion 5 Pro laptop and I'll just show you the main box. This is the box. It has the courier code. It has Legion written on the other side. Nothing much, Legion logo. These are the specs of the laptop. 32 gigs of RAM, Windows 10 Home, 1 TB SSD and RTX 3070. And I believe RTX 3070 is not yet available in the pre-built variant of the Legion 5 Pro, but it was only available in the custom variant. I ordered it back in August, around like 5 weeks back, and I received it today. So unboxing the laptop. Alright, so this is the laptop, I guess, and this is a box we get with it. The protecting is pretty good on the box and on the laptop as well. Like, the protection is pretty good. The foam is thick and it will protect from any damage during shipping. Let's get this aside and we'll come back to it in a moment. What's in this? So, alright, this is the charger. Taking it out of the way. First of all, opening the laptop. I got a grey color Legion 5 Pro. It looks pretty sturdy and pretty bulky, but it feels like a tank, to be very honest. Yeah, so that's your Legion 5 Pro. All the ports in the back. So that's basically the laptop. We'll open it in a while. With it comes the power brick and the charger. Alright, so this is the 300 watt power brick. It's pretty heavy. When they say you in other videos it's a heavy charger, it really is a heavy charger. The package that contained the laptop was pretty heavy as well. It was marked at 5 kilograms and it was 5 kilograms. It was pretty heavy to get into the house. So alright, we'll open it. The laptop opens with one hand. Obviously, we have seen that in multiple reviewers' video. Jared, Dave, everyone's video has mentioned that it opens with one hand. It has pretty centered mass, I'd say. And it looks pretty nice. I'll just take it off the side and the bottom. So yeah, that's the Legion 5 Pro. that's what it was in the box, and in the next video I'll show you a detailed review and a detailed benchmark testing of the laptop. See you in the next video.